Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss regarding an important announcement released by Elevate Communications team. But before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will be not missing any important updates from my channel which I posted. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So this video is regarding wings1 November 2024 assessment hall tickets. They have released the hall tickets and they have updated the post in a Elevate Communications community. So hall tickets will be available for the assessment which are scheduled on 16th and 17th November 2024. To download the hall ticket, they have provided a link. So I'll be showing the dashboard of the link. So once you click on that link, you will be redirected to this dashboard and it will be prompting you for login ID and password. Login ID is your TCS employee ID and password is also the same TCS employee ID. But please note that your employee ID will be your first login password. It will ask you to change your password with combination of alphanumeric, symbolic, uppercase and lowercase with a minimum length of 8 characters as shown in the example. So once you click on that and once you enter the captcha, then it will login you into the main page. There you can see admit card tab and get into the admit card tab and you can able to see your all the eligible tracks hall tickets there. So don't stuck there in the first hall ticket itself. If you are attempting for 2 to 3 exams, so you will be having in the same tab itself. Just scroll down the page, then you can able to see all the eligible tracks assessment hall tickets. And some important points to note that if you are an ADC, if you are not ADC compliant, you will be not getting your hall tickets and you are not eligible to appear for the wings1 November assessment, and also your results will not be published. So make sure you are ADC compliant by checking with your manager or supervisor. And you are required to strictly adhere to the reporting time mentioned in the hall ticket, and entry will not be permitted once the time is crossed. So you will be having the reporting time in the hall ticket itself, so check accordingly. And it is mandatory to carry the TCS ID card along with the hard copy of your hall ticket. So don't carry the soft copies, please carry the hard copies, because you will be having some QR code present on the hall ticket, so they will be scanning that for some prerequisites after entering into the exam hall. So this is all about the update which we received from Elevate Communications team. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. And all the best for your wings1 November assessment cycle. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.